Hi, Miss Joyda Tihada. Can you tell me about yourself, ma'am?
I'm Joyda Tejada. I'm 47 years old. I have one kid.
How old is your kid, ma'am?
He's already 28 years old.
How many siblings do you have, ma'am?
We have three.
And what is your order in the family, ma'am?
I'm the second.
Can you tell me about your educational background?
I'm only high school graduate.
Do you have work experience abroad, ma'am?
Yes, I've been working for 19 years now.
In abroad, ma'am?
Yeah, I worked 11 years in Kuwait and I worked uh, 6 or 7 years in Saudi Arabia, and I did have work also in Doha, Qatar.
Right, so can you tell me your duties and responsibilities as a domestic helper in Kuwait, ma'am?
I work there as a cleaner, and I cook also sometimes. I bake and what do you call this? I wash clothes and ironing.
How about in Saudi, ma'am? Can you tell me your duties and
I
responsibilities there?
was I was cook there and cleaning also.
So, aside from cooking and cleaning, ma'am, do you have any other duties and responsibilities in Saudi?
I do wash clothes and make iron sometimes.
Okay. How would you describe yourself, ma'am?
I'm honest and do work hard and willing to learn.
Do you have any tattoo in your body?
No, I don't have.
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No,
Why do you want to work abroad, ma'am?
because I want to help my family for their needs.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, I'm not.
How about big dogs, ma'am?
I don't have any experience yet, but I'm willing.
Alright. Can you give me your idea? Can you take care of naughty children and children with tantrums?
Yes, I have to be calm and be patient for them.
What is your message to your future employer, ma'am?
To my future employer, I can guarantee you to that I will work hard and be responsible.
Alright. Thank you so much,
You're
ma'am.
welcome.